Gold, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, even if you refer back to my last video, there is no much changes from my last video. Anyway, we were looking for the down move from this correction. Now we want to see whether we can get the down move or not. All right, in this case we move to 4-hour chart. All right, based on the 4-hour chart, now we want to see, this is the only correction relative to this. That means this is the start of the down move. The price can continue and break this low, or still we can put these two as a correction in relative to each other for the next move up, then we get the down move. Okay, as we can see, the price is dropping and correcting, and if we want to see how we can trade it, in this case we move to 1-hour chart. Right, based on 1-hour chart, if we put back our trend lines, okay, if we refer to my last video when the price was somewhere around here, we said the possibility the price can move to this high and drop. We talk also about if the price drop, how we can trade. We didn't have a buy setup. I mean, also we didn't have a sell. I don't think this correction can give us a good sell. Anyway, knows what's the next. Whether it's still we want the price to come to this high, that's me from here, before we get the down move, or the price from here can drop. Anyway, first of all, if we want to talk about the buy, if we put our trend line here, I don't think we can wait for the breakout of the trend line. Okay, it depends what we will get. That's why before we take the buy, we need to see what we will get here. If the prices start to correct similar to what we have here, maybe we can look for buy. And if we get the buy, in that time, that means we see any correction, the prices start to correct, and we see we see the price is going to reverse, then we can look for buy. We need to wait to at least to get the correction similar to what we have here. In that case, we can expect the price can come to move to this high. That means we will be within this long correction for a longer time before we take the down move. Alright, that means if we want to look for buy, we need to wait for the correction. That's why I'm at least similar to what we have here. Alright, but how about if the price, for the buy, in that case we expect that we can be within this correction for a longer time before the price can drop. But how about if the price from here start to drop and we didn't get this up move? Alright, we have that possibility as well. Alright, in that case, how are we going to trade it? If I put back the trend lines here, okay, the first option is that if you wanna having entry, the first option is having entry below this. Again, having entry, what we expect the price drop and sharply move. If the price drop start to correct, we take out after a few hours, maybe 2 to 4 hours. And when the prices came to this level, we need to start to manage it. The another one is we wait the price break this trend line, give a flag correction, then we look for sell. We see which one we can trade it. Alright, again, if we want to have entry, what we expect the price break and sharply move. And how about if the price start to correct similar to what I'm drawing here and break the trend line? I don't think so. We need to look for sell. Alright, anyway, whether we want the price break the trend line, give a correction, trade setup, or having entry below this. And if we want to have entry, what we expect the price sharp move, but not correcting. If correcting, we are not going to trade it. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now, and we need to see what we will get here. And if we get any sell, as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage, at least move our stop loss to break even, because we expect the price break and continue. But if the price didn't come here, it couldn't break or start to correct, then we need to manage. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. We just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. Thanks.